everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the linen Christmas stockings. It is everywhere during Christmas as a meaningful decoration. You can put your gift in it and give it to the person you love. The Christmas stocking carries good wishes for each other. Our products came in red and green, which is a perfect match with your Christmas decorations at home. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must have a template before you start designing. For the templates, I make them 5mm wider than the recommended printing area for this product, because its size is quite large and it is an irregular shape, so I will leave more space for the cutting. Next, based on these templates, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. You can see the stocking shape is not easy for design. Here are some design tips I would like to share with you. First, make sure your important image or text in the safety area, the orange area, that will help matching your printing positions. Otherwise, your results may be like this. Second, if you want to do full print design like this, we suggest that your background is fitting or larger than the printing area, the blue area for easier printing. Third, please pay attention to the fold over cuff part. It will be folded like this. So, your important element needs to be far from this area. Otherwise, your design will be covered by this. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Stacy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us, let's make life memorable!